Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new Tapo camera, and it is the Tapo C220. It's a human pet vehicle detection indoor Wi-Fi camera. So let's start unboxing. Remove the cellophane. Let's see what we get in the box. Quick start guide. Power cable. Camera base. Screws and plugs. And the Tapo camera. So that is everything in the box. So I purchased this camera from Amazon for £29.99. The camera doesn't come with an SD card, so you have to purchase that separately. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the Tapo C220. Remember now to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.